So why exactly should you be investing in this project? Because being inside the HMDA planned Neopolis Township means enjoying an elite master plan with zero hanging wires. Let's also quickly understand about the builder. You see, the builder is one of India's most leading respected real estate developer with over 40 years of legacy. Now, be among the first to own a house here in Brigade's luxury upcoming residential project in the prestigious Neopolis. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Ikhlas and today we will be doing the teaser of Brigade Barcelona by Brigade Group, which is located right here in Kokapet, Neopolis, Hyderabad. But before starting, this is what the surrounding of your entire project is going to look like. Now, very soon your marketing office and your land parcel, both of them are present exactly over here. Now let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Not unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. So stop going here and there and book your dream house directly through Housey. In this video, we will also be discussing below points like project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount offers and a lot more. So let's get this video started. Now let's quickly understand about the project. So this project is going to be constructed on 4.04 acres of land parcel featuring one tower with one basement, 4 podium and 52 floors. Now it also includes your 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK. Now, like I mentioned, this is your exact location of the project, which is located on Neopolis. From here, your financial district, your Gachibowli, your outer ring road, everything is just close by. And just on the opposite, you will also find your Lakeview area. Now let's talk about your distance connectivity. So your financial district is just 3 kilometers away from here. Your Gachibowli is just 16 minutes away and your outer ring road is just 6.3 kilometers away and your Lakeview is right over here at a walkable distance. Let's talk about the amenities. Of course, the project is going to come with multiple level of amenities, which is firstly going to include your grand clubhouse, which will also have your inside indoor game zone, your fully equipped gymnasium, and then outside as well, you will have your gym court area, kids play area, swimming pool area, and a lot more. Now, if all this while you are planning to buy a house here in Hyderabad, then I have one strong recommendation for you. That is, you definitely need to watch our Rights of Home Buyer series. So why exactly should you watch it? You see, most of the times, many home buyers don't even know what their actual rights are. For example, if you pay a token amount to a builder and later decide to cancel the booking, how much money can the builder legally deduct? Sometimes you have quality related issues, construction issues, sometimes you don't even know what liabilities. So as a home buyer, it's very important that you know all these rights. Therefore, we have explained them in a very simple and easy to understandable manner. All you have to do is click on the link which is mentioned in the description below. Now let's quickly also understand your super built up area. So your configuration starts from 2785 to 3800 square feet onwards. Now coming over to the booking process, let's discuss the booking process. So as of now, the project booking windows are open. The clients are invited here at the site where the sales team will explain the entire project details, will share the pricing and the payment schemes as well. Now if the client likes the project, they can proceed for booking by paying a certain token amount. So everyone, that was all you needed to know about the project. That was the teaser of Brigade Barcelona by Brigade Group, which is located in Kokapet, Neopolis Road, Hyderabad. Lastly, for more such amazing videos, do not forget to subscribe to Housey and do not forget to click on the link from where you can easily download our e-brochures and pricing sheets.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.